Hi everyone, Judy here. Welcome to my channel. I teach conversational Bisaya Cebuano in my channel. Today I'm gonna teach you how to say clean your room in Bisaya. Two ways to say this, and these two are imperative, okay? And it's more like a command, okay, to clean your room. The first one is limpyohi imong kwarto. Okay? Limpyuhi imong kwarto. Okay, that's the first one. The second one is panglimpyo. Panglimpyo sa imong kwarto. Panglimpyo sa imong kwarto. Okay? We are going to break that down. It's a little bit long, but actually it's easy. All right? Now, let's break it down. Clean is limpyuhi. Limpyohi. By the way, guys, limpyo is clean. Okay? That means it's clean. Okay? To clean, and it is a command form, you say limpyuhi. Okay? And then the other term is still a command. It is panglimpyo. Panglimpyo. Okay? Your is imong. Imong. Okay? Imong. So there is ng at the end. Imong is a combination of imo plus the nga linker. So here, imong. Okay? And then room is cuarto. Okay? It's a Spanish word. Cuarto. When using the prefix pang, there should be, right after that, there should be the sa. Okay, so the sa here acts as the definite article the in the English language. Okay, so unlike the suffix hi from the limpyuhi, there's no sa right after the verb. Okay, the command word. I will share with you another lesson about the prefix pang in the future, but right now I just want to point it out that once you use pang, normally there is sa after it. Okay, let's practice the pronunciation. Okay, repeat after me please. Lim pyo. Pyo, it's like pyo, py, it's like a blend of p and y. Pyo. Okay, limpyo. He. Okay, mong kwarto. Okay, now if you can actually add oy after this, after kwarto, that means you really have to clean your room. Limpyuhi imong kwarto. Uy! Limpyuhi imong kwarto, uy! That means your room is really messy if there is uy at the end. Now let's practice the second one. Pang. Okay, there's ng at the end. If you don't know how to pronounce the ng, it's like young. Okay, the young and old, young. Okay, pang. Next is lim. Pyo. Okay. Sa. Mong. Kwarto. And then you can add uy. Uy. Okay, let's repeat. Panglimpyo sa imong kwarto. Uy. Panglimpyo sa imong kwarto, uy. Panglimpyo sa imong kwarto, uy. Okay? Or you can just say panglimpyo, uy. Okay. That's a little bit rough, okay, and tough. So you can just say actually panglimpyo, uy. That means you really have to clean your room, okay? That's the short form. Okay, panglimpyo, oy. It's command. It's imperative. Okay. Let's recall. Okay, let's have a little exam, guys. So what is clean? The clean verb, okay? The verb clean in Bisaya. What is clean in Bisaya? Okay? Time's up. That is limpyuhi or panglimpyo. Limpyuhi or panglimpyo. Okay, the next one. What is your in Bisaya? What is your in Bisaya? Okay, that is imo. Okay, there is ng there because it is the nga linker. So the your there is imo, but if you are connecting it, you just add ng. Imong, it will become imong, like your room. Imong kwarto. Next one. What is room in Bisaya? What is room in Bisaya? It is a borrowed Spanish word. Okay, that is cuarto. Cuarto. Okay, you don't say cuarto, you say cuarto. So the R there is a little, there's the R sound there. Cuarto. Okay. All right. So those are the ways on how to tell someone to clean your room in Bisaya. For my subscribers in my website, you don't need to go every Friday in my YouTube channel. You can actually access all the lessons about useful everyday phrases on my site. Okay, you don't have to wait until Friday. Okay, you can access there anytime for all my members, plan holders. Okay, guys, if you have any question, don't hesitate to question. Don't hesitate to ask questions in the comment section below. Okay, so if you haven't been to my site, please visit me there and subscribe to my members access plan. And kita-kita tapuhon next Friday, 9 p.m. in my YouTube channel. Okay, that's all for today. Daghang salamat mga higala. Amping mo kanunay. Bye!